Well, tonight we're going to hear from the head of the Baltimore City Housing Authority for the first time since the filing of that massive lawsuit against the agency.
Yeah, 14 women claim, or 11 rather, claim that maintenance men demanded sex or they wouldn't fix the women's homes. ABC 2 News' Christian Schaefer has been following the story. He's here with us with more.
Yeah, guys, you know, Paul Graziano's been under fire for that lawsuit, but even before that as well, the 11 plaintiffs are asking for more than $1 billion. He's also under fire for the general condition of the 10,000 public housing units that he supervises in Baltimore City. Residents of housing developments like Gilmore Homes and McCullough Homes in West Baltimore say there are backlogs of repairs, things that need to be fixed inside their homes like rodent infestations, electrical, heating problems, broken pipes, and the backlog has risen to more than 500 repairs. Residents brought their concerns to a meeting with the housing commissioner, Paul Graziano, on Monday. And Graziano talked about the problems for the first time today after this morning's Board of Estimates meeting. He said he couldn't say much because of that pending lawsuit, and he said the first time he heard about the maintenance for sex issue was when that lawsuit was filed back on September 28th.
As soon as we became aware, we have taken very strong actions. I've sat down with, I think, 8 of the named plaintiffs with their counsel. We had a good discussion. We have taken very severe personnel actions. I can't discuss the details related to that.
Now, Graziano did say the Inspector General from the federal HUD agency is also investigating the maintenance for sex claims along with the Baltimore City State's Attorney and now the Police Department. Residents have said they believe Graziano should step down. He said today that even with the maintenance problems and the sex for repairs lawsuit, he still believes he should lead the Housing Authority. We'll explain why coming up tonight on In Focus. Kelly and Jamie.